Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. Now, over the last couple of days, we're on the daily time frame, by the way. So, over the last week or so, I've been saying that this first push down is either an A or a 1, this is either a B or a 2, and this is either a 3 or a C. It is definitely looking to be very impulsive, and the fact that it went beyond the 78% with so much of an impulsive candle makes me think that it is definitely very likely a 1, 2, 3. I think it's going to go down and give us a break of structure. And if that does, break and hold below this structure, I think it's going to confirm that this whole move up right here was actually a big pullback. If you zoom out, a big pullback to this whole move down, meaning that it might go all the way back down and make new lows on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, the market is definitely telling us to look for shorts. Unfortunately, all the dollar pairs are, pushing down right now. So really the only strategy right now for me would to be already be short from up here, waiting for an exit, or the strategy would to be patiently waiting for another pullback, another 1, 2, 3 way pullback, another little 1, 2, 3 way pullback, another 1, 2, 3 way pullback to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. We definitely don't want to chase the market, and we can't really rely on going long because it could, bounce a little bit, but then just shoot right back down. So definitely still looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.